Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Shippers Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2015 Mazda CX-5 Akera. Stock reference number 4370. This shape runs from the second month 2012 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine, backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front, with the left camera type power door mirror. Left rear door has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a bald tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, a bald tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And the right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, sat nav unit, dual zone heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.